Hi all, this is Sampath. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In the today video tutorial, I'm going to show how to restrict a material from external procurement without impacting goods movement for a certain period of time. Okay, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to the transaction code ME01. Now press enter key. Enter your material and plant. Press enter key. Enter the validity date. Validity date I'm going to enter 1st of February to end of February. In this period, I want to block this material for external procurement. Now select the blocked indicator. This is important. Now save this source list. Now I'm going to create a purchase order. We'll see whether system allows or not. Enter /n ME21N. Now press enter key. First select PO document type. Next enter the supplier master. Now enter the purchase organization, purchase group and company code. Press enter key. Enter your material. Enter quantity. Quantity I'm going to enter 1. Delivery date system automatically picks from material master. Enter price. Price I'm going to enter €1. Enter plant. Plant I'm going to enter 1000. Now press enter key. Yes, system started showing the error message. External procurement is not possible from this material. Why? Because we blocked this material for external procurement in certain period of time. This setting won't impact on goods movement. It only restrict creation of purchase requisition, purchase order and scheduling agreement schedule lines. Even it allows to creation of contract but cannot allow to creation of purchase order from the contract. That's a today video tutorial. If this video is useful, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.